Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to add special offers to your bundles using the Wizio bundle app. So to get started, open the Wizio bundle app from your Shopify admin panel, and if you haven't installed it yet, you can do so using the link given in the description. So once installed, open the Wizio bundle app and then click here on quantity bundle. Navigate to create bundle, select template of your choice, then scroll down to the special offer section. Here, to add gift with tire, enable this option. Then click on select a product to choose the item you want to offer as a gift. Click on select. Then you can choose whether the free gift should apply to the lower price variant or the higher price variant of the selected product. Then in the free gift title, you can customize the title. You can also customize the label for 0, like it's free, so it will be visible like this. You can also edit the image from here. Now enabling this offer, you can add an upsell product with a discount. So you can select the product from here. Under the price, here you can select the percentage discount or fixed or anything you want. Then you can customize the upsell title from here. So like this, your discounted upsell offer is ready. So in this way you can add special offers using the Wizio bundle app. So that's it for the video. If you have any query or need setup related help, you can reach out to us through our email or chat support. Thank you.